Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. For today's video, tuturuan ko kayo on how to set an appointment for your certificate of rating. Okay? To begin with, punta lang tayo sa ating Google Chrome. Type lang natin ang PRC. Okay. Itong unang lumabas, online.prc.gov.ph, ito po yung i-click natin. Alright. Proceed lang. Scroll down. At dito, pindutin nyo lang itong I have read, understood, and agree with the PRC privacy notice. I give my express consent to the collection and processing of my personal data in accordance thereto. Okay? Close. Close. Here, may nakalagay dito na register and sign in. Since LPT na tayo at nakapag-take na tayo ng exam, sign in na tayo. Dito po, pakilagay ng inyong email address, password, click I'm not a robot, at sign in. Dito po, click nyo lang ang select transaction. Sahin muna natin ito. Please read to avoid delay or disapproval. Please follow the photo requirements below. Okay, this is quite really important. Dapat po is updated po ang inyong picture. Anyway, meron naman po tayong tutorial dyan kung paano nyo mapapalitan ang inyong profile picture dito sa inyong Larry's account. Okay? Number 1, the photo must be colored and in plain white background. Number 2, the photo must be taken within the last 6 months. 3, the applicant must wear any decent attire with collar or corporate attire and no wearing of sleeveless. The last one is the photo must be in full face view directly facing the camera. I will no longer explain this one, guys, because I know na naintindihan naman po natin siya. Click I agree and proceed. Dito, kayo na po ang bahala na magbasa. Okay? Click OK once more. Basahin nyo na lang po ulit. Okay. Now, dito may nakalagay na examination, registration of passers, renewal, duplicate, and certifications. Okay? Close lang natin. Dito sa certificate, click select. Same lang po ang process kung kukuha kayo ng passing, good standing, certification of rating, and state board verification. Now, since we are going to set an appointment for certification of rating, yun po ang i-click natin. Profession. Okay, select nyo na. Okay, professional teacher. Dito naman, ilagay nyo ang inyong NOA. Or kung nakalimutan nyo, click nyo lang po ito. Piliin nyo kung kailan po kayo ng exam. What is your purpose? Usually po, kung kukuha tayo for ranking or promotion, legal po lagi ang pinipili. Okay? Next, proceed. Okay, may nakalagay dito, appointment slots are free. Click proceed. Now, dito, select preferred PRC regional office at ang piliin nyo yung pinakamalapit po sa inyo na regional office. Okay? Halimbawa sa akin ay Legazpi. Okay, dito, certification of rating, ang amount na babayaran natin per copy is 75 pesos. Quantity, 2. Okay, total amount is 150 pesos. Okay, dito yung purpose, makita nyo yung branch, scheduled date and time, which is bukas, May 28, 2026, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Kung hindi naman po available yung schedule time, pwede naman kayo palitan ang schedule date. Okay? Try natin kunwari schedule. Okay, view other dates. May times, guys, na halimbawa ganito, there are no available slots for rescheduling on selected office branch. PRC Legazpi right now. Kapag ganito po, ibig sabihin, ang dami po kasi ng kumukuha ng slot. That's why nahihirapan tayo na mag-reschedule. Pero you have to make sure na kung hindi applicable ito, kung bukas nyo kunwari kukunin, dapat ngayon kayo mag-set ng appointment. Okay, proceed na natin. To complete your transaction, here are the payment options. The first one, we have PayMaya. GCash, Visa, Mastercard, JCB, at ang convenience fee nito is 8 pesos. Para mas madali, usually GCash na lang po ang piliin ninyo. Alright? Once more, dito lalabas ang payment channel, Paymaya. Okay, Visa, certification, PRC Legazpi, appointment, and amount to be paid. Okay, madadirect kayo sa payment site. Okay, kung GCash, once more, pindutin nyo lang ang GCash. At automatic naman, madadirect na kayo doon. For example po, tapos na po tayo magbayad. Balik lang po tayo sa ating profile. And let's jump into existing transaction po. Click proceed. Okay, once more, existing transaction. Proceed. At lahat po ng details or transaction na nagawa ninyo recently or previously, lahat nyo po dito makikita. Okay? Okay, halimbawa, ito. Nandito na yung ating details. So what you're going to do is to print the document. Ito po yung pinaka-importante dahil hindi nyo po siya makukuha kung wala po kayo ng claim slip. Okay, you are going to download this one. Pindutin nyo lang po itong download button here at i-print nyo po. Okay? At magdala lang po kayo ng PRC ID ninyo. Ayun lang siya guys. I hope it helps. See you po sa ating next video. Bye!